the Cardano price has risen by 1.5% in the past 24 hours, in line with a 2% rise for the cryptocurrency market as a whole. At $0.315,694, it's basically flat in the past week but down by 15% in the last 30 days. However, such falls are part of the market-wide decline crypto has witnessed ever since the FTX collapse last month, with Cardano itself having more reasons to be optimistic. In particular, new data has revealed that the Layer 1 blockchain network leads the rest of the ecosystem in terms of development activity, with more daily GitHub commits than other platforms on most days of the week. And with the platform seeing its ecosystem grow with each passing week, such data points to a bright future for Cardano, in which it's one of the busiest and most popular Layer 1 blockchains. In turn, this suggests that ADA is dramatically underpriced at the moment, with substantial rallies predicted for it once the market returns to more bullish conditions. ADA's chart suggests that the altcoin is ripe for a rally. Its relative strength index, purple, has risen from close to 30 in November to around 45 now, and looks set to continue gaining momentum. At the same time, the coin's 30-day moving average, red, has remained comfortably below its 200-day average, blue, for most of the year. In purely technical terms, this means that ADA is long overdue for a big rebound and further increase. Needless to say, the weak global macroeconomic situation means that investors may still have to wait for a really strong ADA rally to finally arrive. The same goes with regard to the FTX situation, which also continues to depress the market and investor sentiment, with other struggling firms likely following in FTX's wake. But once such negative factors are resolved, Cardano's very strong fundamentals put it in a position where ADA can continue to enjoy substantial gains. For example, even with this 2022's bear market, the Cardano ecosystem has been steadily growing over the past few months, with more than 100 apps and projects now building on its network, as well as more than 100 projects already launched. What's interesting to note about Cardano's recent growth is that since the network enabled smart contracts last September, over 3,900 Plutus scripts, i.e. Cardano's version of smart contracts, have been deployed. This highlights how developers are indeed building on its network, which is slowly gaining a critical mass. This impression is further reinforced by the aforementioned data coming out of GitHub, which consistently shows Cardano as either the network with the most daily activity or among the most active. While Cardano doesn't lead such rankings every day of the week, it tends to lead on most days, showing how it's growing at a faster rate than most other networks. In turn, this suggests that it will come to be one of the most active and widely used platforms in the not-too-distant future, with ADA benefiting as a result.